What's up, guys? Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods. We are located on 47 Howard Street, and that's Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up, and I will be here. But we are unboxing another pair of Off-Whites for you guys. So shouts out to Virgil and the Off-White brand. They've been doing a lot of work within the last few years, so you've seen his face and name everywhere, but especially here at Stadium Goods, because we're gonna unbox the 2.0 version of the Off-White Converse. So I know you guys been waiting for this one. We're gonna get straight into these shoes. So we've got the box top here. So as you guys can see, this box is a little bit different from the classic Off-White styles. Features the Converse and Off-White. A small excerpt in the corner about Virgil, black and white and gray, and the Off-White brand, so you get into that. But let's get straight to these shoes. And let me know what you guys think. If you look to my immediate left, you'll see the first Converse Off-White collaboration, but I bring to you the second version right here in my hand. So the Converse Off-White. We have the midsole outsole, which is one of the more intriguing parts of the shoe. Just above the outsole features the black and white stripage. So if you guys are familiar with the Off-White brand, you know that you'll see the stripes throughout a variety of their different designs. So hence the black and white here on the midsole into the outsole. And as we get to the toe cap area, the black and white runs right there also. And the full white right there also in the toe area. We have the toe cap just above the black and white. The shoe is full canvas, classic to the Converse styles, as the first one was fully translucent, but we have the tonal white laces. We have the shoelaces at the end of the tips right there. This one features the orange zip tie, which I haven't seen before. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, as you guys always do. I appreciate you. But we have the hang tag also on the left shoe. And as we get to the insole of the shoe, features the Converse and the Off-White logos combined, as you guys can see there. We're gonna get to the inner panel. Features the Converse All-Star, Chuck Taylor. So fun fact for you guys, in case you guys don't know, the Converse brand is owned by Nike, so is an affiliate of Nike, much like the Jordan brand. And we have the Off-White, Converse, Chuck Taylor All-Star, Massachusetts, USA, which is the production area, and we have circa 1917. So the original Converse All-Star was produced in 1917, and it was endorsed by the athlete Chuck Taylor, which is why you see the Chuck Taylor featured on the logo right there. Features the orange pull tab just above the classic Converse logo. Told you about the orange zip tie. Let's get to the outsole. So full orange on the classic Converse outsole. Features the Converse logo right there, Converse All-Star, that you guys can see. No pull tabs on these. Features the Converse All-Star logo right there on the back, but it's flipped upside down. So of course, as we know, the abstract version of the Off-White shoes features Virgil Abloh's creative spin on them. And I'll give you one last look at the Off-White Converse, the pair that just released. So this is a 2.0 in comparison to the 1.0 to my immediate left. And I really want to know what you guys think in the comments. It's a pretty hard decision for me to decide between the two of these. So the translucent on the first original one, and then we have the full canvas, which is classic to the Converse styles on the 2.0. If I have to choose, which I always have to choose, I think I might go with this one. But we have both of these here available right at Stadium Goods. We are located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, 12 to 8. So please make sure you guys pull up. Thank you guys for watching all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube, and make sure you guys like and share. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. If you have any questions regarding anything Stadium Goods, make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com. And last but not least, make sure you follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco VK, and